Hey, this is Nick from GatesAir. Thanks for stopping by. Come on in, we've got a lot to show you. Hey, this is Nick at GatesAir, and today I'm here at our service parts area of our factory. And one of the most popular questions I get asked out in the field is, how do we support our legacy products still in service? It's a great question. I asked some of the guys here. We have actually built up an inventory over $6 million of the most major components for our products that are no longer in production. And this is important because we want to support all those stations out there that are trying to maximize the life of their equipment, even though they're no longer being manufactured. And those parts are not just stocked here in Quincy. We actually have stocking depots in Italy, the United Kingdom, Russia, India, Brazil, South Africa, and Vietnam. And the next question I usually get asked is, how long do we typically support our equipment once production is ended? The answer to that is, we'll keep major component parts in stock 10 years after production ends. In addition, our service parts and our repair team, they can evaluate your equipment. They can provide either an estimate or a complete cost for repair, even on products no longer being made. So our goal here is to make sure that we've got you covered, whether you're looking at extending the life of your equipment or possibly replacing in the future.